Good morning, guys. Steve, I'm the publican. They call me the naughty publican from the Bridge Hotel, Langhorne Creek in South Australia. Now, I'll just quickly tell you why they call me the naughty publican. We had a girl come in one day, and she came in the front bar, and she just said, "Steve, the naughty publican," and she ran up and she just gave me a hug. And I've never seen it before, and I've never experienced that before from a total stranger. But I think it's because I do lives every week for the pub page, for the Facebook page, and I just ad lib. I don't have a script or anything like I am now. So you know, what you see is what you get, and I'll make mistakes and I'll stuff up, and it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm just being me. And she just called me the naughty publican. It sort of stuck with me, and I love it. So anyway, so that's me. Anyway, I'm just going to go through a cocktail with you. Fluffy duck. It's one of my favourites. So I'm just going to show you how to make it. So a lot of people at home, or if you're going out to dinner, have a crack at the fluffy duck. It's amazing. So I'll just turn the camera down now so you can just have a look at what I'm doing. So just bear with me a second. This will be a bit, this will be a little bit rough, but let's just get this camera down to where you can see what's happening. That's nowhere near it. Hang on. Sorry, this is a bit amateur hour here for me, but we'll get it in a second. Bear with me, it's coming, that glass is coming, there it is. Okay, so what we've got, a glass, that's roughly how much ice we want in there, a fluffy duck, so it's about half full. So what we'll do is we'll tip that into the shaker. The shaker's only here really to put all our ingredients in. Then we want 30 mils of Bacardi. So we've got the measure, so 30 mils is the big side. That's what, 15 mils is the small side. So we want 30 mils, so we just put 30 mils in there. And if you overflow a little bit, don't worry, it's just a little bit more Bacardi, big deal. Okay, so that's 30 mils of Bacardi, and then Advocaat. I'll just show that's Bacardi, just in case you've never seen a Bacardi bottle. That's Bacardi, which is a white rum, and it's a lovely rum. So that's Bacardi rum. And so this is vodka and Advocaat. It's spelled funny. I don't know why it's spelled with double A, but anyway, it's from a country where they have double A in it, obviously. So that's Advocaat, and that is amazing stuff. If you ever take the lid off and just have a sniff, that is fantastic stuff. So anyway, and we want 15 mils of Advocaat. Okay, so we just tip 15 mils into the measuring glass. Again, doesn't matter if you've got too much. Don't tip that in. Pop that back in there. Let's see. Advocaat and the Bacardi, there's both of those in there now. Then all we got to do is put a dash of cream in there and then give it a little shake. A real little shake. That's about 30 mils of cream I put in. You don't really need that much. If you're on a bit of a health kick, which I'm not, well I am really. I should be, but yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to drink all this. I'll drink some. I'll tip half of it down the sink probably, but it's a beautiful drink. It really is a beautiful drink. I put the top on, so you're just going to give that a little shake, nothing much. You just want to shake that a little bit until it just becomes a little bit fluffy inside. Just a little shake. That'll do. Okay. And then we don't strain it, so take the top off. Take your top off, it sounds a bit rude, doesn't it? Take the top off, and then pour it into the glass. Like that. Now we're going to add lemonade, okay? So I'm just going to go away from here for a second. I'm going to fill it up with lemonade. Come over here, fill it up with lemonade. And it gets very fluffy now. And go right up to the top. Lots of bubbles. There we go, got a bit of a mess happening here. So that's a fluffy duck, Advocaat lemonade. So we put a little umbrella in there just in case it rains. There, and a straw, just so we can drink out of it. There you go, look at that. So that's a fluffy duck. Alright, so it's just ice, 30 mils of Bacardi rum, 15 mils of Advocaat, fill it up with lemonade, and it's just got a dash of cream in there. I've got 30 mils, but you can put 15 mils in if you like. And stir it until it's fluffy on top. You see it's a bit fluffy on top there. just try and get it a bit closer. Okay, so it's got the fluff on top. Okay, now we'll do the taste test. Oh my God, that is such a nice drink, truly. Wow, it's so easy to drink. Like, you really don't taste the spirit in it. It just tastes like a really nice. It's almost like an eggnog. It's like an eggnog. I don't know if you got to be old like me to know what eggnog is. But so Advocaat lemonade, fluffy duck, unbelievable. Cheers, guys, until we make the next cocktail video. And please like and share. And yeah, let's spread the word about the British Hotel Langhorne Creek, because it is a fantastic pub with fantastic meals, fantastic locals who work in here. The service is terrific, and we only stock the local wines. So come on down to Langhorne Creek, one of the best wine growing, not wine growing, we don't grow wine, one of the best grape growing regions in the world, and we have some of the best wines in the world. It's in my opinion, and in lots of other people's too. So have a wonderful day, and again, thanks for watching, cheers, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.